Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share your YouTube channel link. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to open Play Store and update your YouTube application. Once you've done that, you simply need to go and open YouTube, and then you need to click on your channel icon in the top right, and then you need to click on your channel, and here you can see the three dots on the top right. Click on that, and here you can see the option of share. Click on that option, and then you need to click on copy link, and once that link is copied, click on share again. And here you can find different applications. You can see it on Instagram, on Telegram, on Gmail, on WhatsApp, on Reddit. You can find plenty of different applications here where you can share your YouTube channel link. So you can select any application. For example, I'm going to select WhatsApp, and I'm going to select my friend, and I'm sending my channel link. So this is a process by which you can share your YouTube channel link. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.